Got a Ruger revolving doors to the comments. Suicide doors, now she wanna jump in. Got a big jumping guns roping, let's Tarzan. Now she wanna be my favorite, just gon' tell your best friend. Haven't been talking lately, only know saying shit to the same. She giving me back shots, shit out. Bitch don't complain now. Give me nothing but compliments when I'm on around the bow. Want me to put my blickies down. What's your name, you sexy bonafide little hoe? I know you're a hustler. She's a bonafide little hustler. Told my Ruger revolver, cut the end off these suicide doors, go up like they charging. Fully automatic, automatic. Where shit get tragic. I'm smoking on cat, piss, and lean. Ayy, sipping on cat, piss, and lean. Want me to dive a pinner. Full cool winter, digging in with a pistol. My Ruger revolver. My Ruger revolver. My Ruger revolver, she want me to involve her a little bit more, but I say a little bit less. When look at my check, VVS, SSS, SS like the flash screens in the back, SS like the flash screens in my ear, real screwbacks on the denim, digi denim, how you get them? My revolver. Cool revolver, like revolving door. So you step in, like I was Michael Jordan trying to get my ball in. To the ball out though. Hey, kicking back, rubbing on 4 ADs. Wide screen, look at her thighs, look me in my eyes. You can tell that hoe ain't my wife. I've been scraping like a raker. Razor blade on a chopstick, freezing like a mopstick in a bitch. I'm freezing like a mopstick in a booth. Shirt like so thick that she super wet like my whirlpool. Gushy, get gushy. 12 feet she was diving in. I got my pounds in it. Big slime, you can smell the smell so far. Congestion. Extracalidocious. Stay wet, that's bitch. Don't slip on.